Hey! We have a major Vidnami announcement for you. Today I have some exciting news to share with you. The team at Vidnami have just launched a game-changing new artificial intelligence engine into their video creation app. What this means is that Vidnami is now without a doubt the smartest, quickest, and fastest way to create videos for your business. You can check out the all-new Vidnami with the link in the description. The biggest problem with video. The biggest problem with creating videos has always been the amount of time it takes to select all the individual clips for your video. This process can take hours and it's painful, frustrating work which means most business owners just give up. But the all-new AI engine in Vidnami is like having your own in-house video assistant that does all the hard work for you. In a matter of seconds, the AI engine analyzes your text, automatically creates the scenes, and intelligently selects video clips from their built-in library. All you need to do is a quick review and your video is done. So if you want to make 2021 the year you finally transform your business using the power of video, check out the all-new Vidnami and discover how quick and easy video marketing can really be. Follow the link in the description now.